Assalamu alaikum friends, in today's video we will learn about a very important airbag fault code of the car, B1608 front satellite sensor bus initialization, left side, B1608 front satellite sensor bus initialization, left side. Why this problem occurs, where the problem is, and how to fix it. I will show you everything step by step today, so watch the video until the end. If the airbag light is on in your car, and the scanner shows B1608, then don't ignore it, because the airbag may not work during an accident. The meaning of the B1608 code is the Airbag ECU is not communicating properly with the left-hand front satellite sensor or front impact sensor of the vehicle. In simple terms, there is a problem with the communication or wiring of the front left airbag sensor. Where is this sensor located? Show front bumper area. This sensor is usually located behind the front bumper, next to the left headlight, or near the radiator support. The main reasons for this code to appear are number 1 sensor connector loose, number 2 wiring cut or short, number 3 damage after an accident, number 4 corrosion due to water ingress, number 5 sensor damage, number 6 weak battery voltage. Before working on the airbag, you must turn off the ignition. Disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. Wait at least 90 seconds, as incorrect procedures may cause the airbag to deploy. Toyota Velfire car problem. Fault code B1608 front left side satellite sensor. Left side impact sensor circuit fault. Step 1 connector check. Close shot of connector. First check the front LH sensor connector. If there is any problem, whether it is loose, whether there is rust, whether the pin is bent. The front left side sensor wire socket is open. The sensor is not connected. The front left side sensor wire socket is broken. I will remove the left side sensor to repair the wiring connection. I repaired the wiring socket. I connected the wiring socket to the sensor. I will reinstall the left side impact sensor. The installation of the left side impact sensor is complete. Now I will clear the car's airbag fault code with the scan computer. The airbag light went off after turning the ignition key to the on position. After fixing everything, clear the error code with scan computer. Red fault code again. Clear fault code, click yes, OK. OK, done, clear fault code. Now is no fault code. Problem solved. Now I will start the car engine. After starting the car engine, the airbag light is no longer on. Remember one thing. How to sensor test. If everything is okay, you can do sensor test. Remove the left sensor and attach it to the right side. And attach the right sensor to the left side. Check the result with scan tool. If fault moves to right side, sensor is faulty, bad. After test, put back the sensor its original position. Bad sensors must be replaced. One important thing, do not use a used airbag sensor, do not apply direct voltage, do not check the airbag line with a test light. I hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. May Allah protect you.